Good day everyone, my name is Iriks Maria Bidulanon and this is Iriks TV. For today's kalaman, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-retrieve ng missing Mendeley Plug-in sa iyong Microsoft Word. So paano? Let's watch till the end. By the way, this video is remake or redo of Sir Edwino's Prime video. You can visit his channel and don't forget to subscribe. Here, I lost my Mendeley software na naka-plug in sa aking Microsoft Word. Your Mendeley plug-in will lose if hindi mo siya ginagamit ng madalas. The Mendeley seems to deactivate itself. So, I will demonstrate kung paano natin ito maibabalik. Sa first step is go to File. Step 2, go to Options. Then click nyo yung Add-ins. So dito, makikita natin na listed ang Mendeley sa Inactive Application Add-ins. So let us restore it. Click lang natin yung Mendeley. I-click lang yung Manage and click Word Add-ins, then click Go. Then click Mendeley, then click Add. Here, as you can see, nagbalik na yung ating Mendeley plug-in sa ating Microsoft Word. So, let's try to use it again. Here, click Insert Citation, go to Mendeley. Click lang natin yan and then Cite. So, here, nabigyan na ng citation ng ating phrase sa ating article. You can change the citation format to IEE to American Psychological or APA. I will demo again another example on citation.